What is an example of a business that has been classified as a hobby? Imagine Mariah starts a business making and selling handmade fashion, and this is her side hustle. She enjoys the creative process of sewing and loves to experiment with different fabrics, patterns, and sewing techniques. She sells her fashion at local markets, at vendor shows, and online on Etsy, but she never turns a profit. She never turns a profit mainly because she cannot scale her business. In order to scale her business, she needs to sell more, and she could sell more if she could create more, but she cannot create more because she only has that many hours a day that she can sew. And she never thought about outsourcing her production to a factory. Hence, she has to manufacture all her items by herself in her studio, and they come out expensive. So that's why she's not turning a profit. Even though she has a lot of clients who want to buy her styles, she simply doesn't have time to make them, and she does not charge enough for them. Her costs are high, the prices do not accommodate, so she's not turning a profit. And despite reporting losses every year, Mariah continues to pour time and resources into her business because she simply loves it. And in this case, the government may classify the fashion business as a hobby because Mariah is not carrying out the activity in a manner consistent with the for-profit venture. She's not putting in the necessary time and effort to turn a profit, and she seems to be more focused on the enjoyment of the activity than on generating income, which is all fantastic, but there is just this difference. Another example of having a business as a hobby, the same Mariah decides to outsource her manufacturing, and she gets her inventory in. So her cost price is low, she can have a healthy markup, and she can sell it, but she simply does not put any efforts into selling them. And this inventory sits into her garage for the next 5 years. So it is very much possible that at a certain point in time, her business will be classified as a hobby because instead of selling her items, she's doing everything else. And sometimes she sells it and she enjoys it, but she does not put enough effort into her sales. So here are a few examples for you just to understand how it looks like a business that is not a business, but a hobby.